West Bengal Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari announced the withdrawal of the word Dham from the Jagannath Temple at Digha, Purb Medinipur. The move follows Odisha CM Mohan Charan Majhi's request, stressing that Jagannath Dham is traditionally and exclusively associated with Puri's sacred shrine. PM Narendra Modi said the government has empowered youth, women and farmers over 12 years. In a social media post, PM Modi said, with the blessings of 1.4 billion citizens and the spirit of nation first, the government is dedicated to trust, development and public welfare. In the presence of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, letters of approval were issued to 3 foreign universities, the University of Bristol and University of York, which will set up campuses in Mumbai, and the University of New South Wales in Bengaluru. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated Vinimay, the land port management system in New Delhi. The digital platform will streamline cargo processing and passenger movement, integrating operations across India's land borders. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan reviewed NTA's preparations for the NET UG 2026 retest on June 21. He assured strict confidentiality, error-free conduct, timely results and exemplary punishment for those involved in the earlier paper leak. The Odisha Cabinet cleared 10 proposals across 5 departments, including a tourism department scheme to create a land bank for hospitality infrastructure, aimed at boosting tourism-led economic growth and attracting large-scale hospitality investments. The BRICS Agriculture Conference began in Indore with delegates from 21 countries, including Brazil, China, Iran, South Africa and UAE. Ministers and experts are discussing strategies for sustainable agriculture and global food security. PM Narendra Modi spoke with Kuwait's Amir Sheikh Mashal Al Ahmad Al Zabair Al Sabah, expressing concern over escalating tensions in West Asia and reaffirming India's condemnation of attacks on Kuwait's territorial integrity. Former Sri Lankan Deputy Minister Sarana Gunawardena was sentenced to 16 years of rigorous imprisonment by Colombo High Court on 4 corruption charges related to vehicle procurement during his tenure as Development Lotteries Board Chairman in 2006. India A defeated Sri Lanka A by 8 runs in the opening match of the Tri-Nation A Series at the Rangiri Dambulla International Stadium in Sri Lanka.